Sparrow. Sparrows are small, cute birds found almost everywhere in the world. Sparrows love to live close to people in gardens, parks, and even on rooftops. Pigeon. Pigeons can recognize human faces. They always find their way home. Pigeons bob their heads when they walk. Crows. Crows are one of the smartest birds in the world. They have shiny black feathers that look blue in sunlight. Crows eat almost anything: fruits, insects, nuts, eggs, and even leftovers. They are great team players and help each other find food. Parrots. Parrots can copy your voice like a talking toy. They use their feet like hands to hold food. Some parrots can live longer than 50 years. Peacock. Peacocks are famous for their big, colorful tails with blue, green, and gold feathers. Only male peacocks have the beautiful tail. Females are called peahens and are brown. Hen. Hens are female chickens and they take care of baby chicks. A hen lays eggs almost every day when she is healthy. Hens talk to their chicks before they hatch by making soft cluck-cluck sounds. Duck. Ducks have special oil on their feathers, so water just slides off like a raincoat. Some ducks can fly up to 100 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a car on the highway. Eagle. Eagles can see 8 times better than humans. They can spot a small mouse from high in the sky. Eagles stay with the same partner for life and raise chicks together. Baby eagles are called eaglets. They stay in the nest for many weeks. The bald eagle is the national bird of the United States. They see perfectly in the dark. A baby owl is called an owlet, and they are fluffy like cotton balls. Owls can live almost anywhere: forests, deserts, snowy mountains, and even cities. Falcon. Falcons are the fastest animals in the world. A peregrine falcon can dive at more than 300 kilometers per hour, faster than a race car. A baby falcon is called an woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck trees 20 times per second. Their beak is super strong, like a tiny hammer. Kingfisher. Kingfishers have shiny blue, orange, and green feathers that sparkle in the sunlight like jewels. They catch fish by diving into water like a tiny rocket. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are super tiny, some even smaller than a paperclip. Their wings flap up to 80 times per second. That's faster than a buzzing bee. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Their heart beat up to 1,200 times per minute when they are flying. Penguin. Penguins cannot fly, but they swim super fast. They slide on ice and snow on their bellies, called tobogganing. They live in large groups called colonies for safety and warmth. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. Ostrich eggs are the biggest of any bird, and one egg can be as big as a soccer ball. Ostrich's kick is so strong it can hurt a lion. Emu. Emus are large, flightless birds that live in Australia. Emus can live up to 10 to 20 years in the wild. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink because of the special food they eat, like shrimp and algae. They often stand on one leg to rest. It looks funny, but keeps them warm. Flamingos live in large groups called colonies, sometimes thousands together. Baby flamingos are gray or white at birth and turn pink as they grow. Swan. Swans are one of the biggest flying birds. They are very loyal and stay with the same partner. Swans can sleep while floating on water. Turkey. When they get scared or excited, the skin on their head and neck changes color. Turkeys don't have ears you can see, but they hear very well. Canary. Canaries are bright yellow birds that look like flying sunshine. They are famous for their beautiful singing, especially the boy canaries. Canary love to eat seeds, fruits, and leafy greens. Fly. Robins have a bright red chest. It looks like they're wearing a tiny red shirt. Scrap robins build cute cup-shaped nests using grass, leaves, and mud. Blue jay. Blue jays are bright blue birds that look like they painted themselves with the sky. Blue jays love peanuts. Whole peanuts are their favorite snack. Cardinal. Cardinals are bright red birds. Female cardinals aren't red. They are light brown with hints of red. Cardinals don't migrate. They live in the same place all year. Seagull. Seagulls live near oceans, lakes, and rivers. They love water. They build nests on the ground. Seagulls can drink salt water. Vulture. Vultures are nature's cleaners. They eat old leftover animals and help keep the earth clean. They are fantastic gliders, flying for hours without flapping their wings. Hawks are amazing hunters. They can spot a tiny mouse from very far away. Hawks are very smart birds, using clever tricks to hunt. Parakeet. Parakeets are small, colorful parrots, usually green, yellow, or blue. Parakeets love to sing and chatter, especially when they're happy. Parakeets are social birds. They love living with other parakeets or with people who talk to them. Macaw. Macaws are large parrots. Some can be as long as 3 feet from beak to tail. Macaws are super smart. They can solve puzzles and play with toys. Toucan. Toucans have huge rainbow-colored beaks, but they are very light. You can find toucans in the warm forests of South and Central America. Toucans can fly, but only short distances. They prefer hopping from branch to branch. Storks. Storks have long legs and long necks, perfect for walking in water. Storks cannot make loud calls, so they communicate by clattering their beaks. Their nests are huge and can be used year after year. Some can be 6 feet wide. Heron. Herons have long legs, long necks, and a sharp, pointy beak. Unlike many birds, herons fly with their necks curved into an S shape. Dove. Many people around the world see doves as signs of love and peace. They are very curious birds. Doves walk around calmly, looking for food and exploring new places. Kite. They are strong hunters like eagles and hawks. Kites are amazing gliders. They can fly for a long time without flapping their wings much. Minnow. Minnows are great talkers. Some minnow birds can copy human words, just like parrots. You can find it in India, Asia, and many warm countries. Koel. Males and female look different. Male koels are shiny black with red eyes. Female koels are brown with white spots. Koels live in warm places. You can find them in India, Asia, and Australia. Bulbul. Bulbuls are cheerful singers. They make sweet, bubbly songs early in the morning. Bulbuls are often seen in gardens, parks, and backyards. Cuckoo. Some cuckoos are tricksters. They lay their eggs in other birds' nests, so the other birds raise their babies. They especially eat caterpillars and hairy insects that many birds avoid. Hoopoo. Hoopoos have a fancy fan-shaped crown on their head that they can open and close. They live in warm places. They are found in Europe, Asia, and Africa, mostly in sunny areas. Quail. Quails are small and plump, with short tails and round bodies. They usually run on the ground instead of flying long distances. Quails hide in fields, gardens, and shrubs to stay safe from predators. Nightingale. Nightingales are night singers, making sweet melodies after dark. They live in Europe and Asia. Nightingales remember songs and sing the same tune many times. Pelican. Pelicans have a huge beak and a stretchy pouch to catch fish. A bird with a large throat pouch. Puffin. Puffins are small seabirds with colorful beaks. Puffins can fly super fast, flapping their wings up to 400 times per minute. They are amazing swimmers and use their wings like flippers underwater. They live in cold places like Iceland, Norway, and Canada. A goose. A goose is a big water bird with a long neck. Geese love to swim in lakes, ponds, and rivers. Geese fly in a special V-shaped formation to save energy during long trips. Lark. Larks are small brown birds famous for their beautiful singing. They build their nests on the ground, hidden in grass. Their morning songs are called dawn songs. Rhea. Rheas are large birds that cannot fly, just like ostriches and emus. You can find them in Argentina, Brazil, Uruguay, and Paraguay. Cockatoo. Their fluffy head feathers called a crest can go up and down like a fancy hat. They can solve puzzles, open locks, and learn tricks. Albatross. Albatrosses can fly for hours without flapping their wings. They use the wind to glide smoothly. Lays. They spend most of their life flying over the ocean and only come to land to lay eggs. Kiwi. Even though they are birds, kiwis stay on the ground because their wings are very tiny. A kiwi is a bird that cannot fly. Kiwi mums lay one of the biggest eggs compared to their body, says almost as big as a chicken's egg, even though the kiwi is much smaller. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos.